It is no longer a forbidden fruit. If you have ever been on a diet, you surely know the avocado, palta, as a forbidden fruit. The reason is obvious. Each exquisite ounce of its creamy flesh holds 731 calories, more than almost any other fruit in the world. And while other fruits contain practically no fat, the avocado stands out among them for being one of the few whose fat content is large enough to be measured. Up to 30 grams per piece, half the recommended daily intake for the average adult. It is hard to that a food that is so fattening can be good for your health, right? However, this is precisely what dietitians claim. According to experts, eating a little avocado every day can actually improve your health. They say this because, to begin with, the avocado is a magnificent of folate and potassium. It also contains large amounts of fiber and monounsaturated fat, which provide great benefits to people with diabetes or who need to take care of their heart. Healing powers, a food that can make you so fat can be good for your health, right? However, this is precisely what dietitians claim. According to experts, eating a little avocado every day can actually improve your health. They say this because, for starters, avocado is a great source of folate and potassium. In addition, it contains large amounts of monounsaturated fat, which provide great benefits to people with diabetes or who need to take care of their heart. Phil. Avocado fight against diabetes. Dietetics are told to reduce their carbohydrate intake, and these tips are generally good, but not necessarily for everyone. Doctors have discovered that when some people with diabetes consume a large amount of carbohydrates, triglyceride levels in their blood tend to increase. Triglycerides are of blood fat that possibly contribute to heart disease. However, when a portion of those carbohydrates is replaced by fat, especially the type of fat contained in avocados, the amount of those dangerous triglycerides in the bloodstream tends to decrease. Warning: people taking warfarin, Coumadin, a medication for heart conditions that prevents clotting, should avoid eating avocado, palta. The natural oil in this fruit prevents the medication from working in some people. Scientists don't know for sure why this is. In a small study in Israel, half an avocado was sometimes enough to reduce the effectiveness of the medication. The effect lasts long. When people stopped eating avocado, the medication started working again. However, this effect could be dangerous for some people. Therefore, if you are taking warfarin, consult your doctor. Adding avocado to your diet. Avocado is a rich source of several types of monounsaturated fat, especially one called oleic acid. We have observed that monounsaturated fats improve fat in the body and help control diabetes, says Dr. Abhimanyu Garg, Associate Professor of Internal Medicine and Clinical Nutrition at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas. In a study conducted in Mexico, scientists put 16 women with diabetes on a high-fat diet. High in fat, meaning that of all the calories they consumed daily, 40% came from fat. Most of this fat was from avocado. And what happened? Their triglyceride levels dropped by 20%. The women who ate a diet richer in carbohydrates, on the other hand, only experienced a 7% reduction in their triglyceride levels. It lowers high cholesterol. The many that avocado offers are not limited to diabetics. The oleic acid in avocados can also help people lower their cholesterol levels. What better place to study avocado than Mexico, where guacamole is a must-have on every table? Another small study carried out in that country compared the effects of two low-fat diets with respect to cholesterol. The diets were exactly the same, except that one included avocado. The researchers observed that both lowered the evil of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the harmful variety of cholesterol. However, the diet containing avocado had the additional effect of increasing the level of healthy high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, in addition to slightly lowering triglycerides. Not content with that, avocado also attacks cholesterol in another way by adding a healthy amount of to the diet, says Dr. Garg. Makes the stool bulkier, which helps it and the cholesterol it contains to expelled from the body faster. A single avocado contains more fiber than a bran muffin. 10 grams, that is, 40% of the daily value, DV. Provides potassium for pressure. Apart from all this, avocado is a real potassium mine. Just half of one has 548 milligrams, or 16% of the DV and 15% more than a medium yellow banana, guineo banana, which is the best-known source of potassium. Several studies have shown that people who eat a good amount of potassium-rich such as avocado have a considerably lower risk of suffering from hypertension, high blood pressure, and diseases related to this condition, such as heart attacks and stroke. It is impossible to consume too much potassium, says David B. Young, Ph.D., Professor of Physiology and Biophysics at the University of Mississippi Medical Center in Jackson. In the expert's opinion, it is enough to add small amounts to the diet to obtain great benefits. A fortune in folate avocado is perfect for women during pregnancy when it's very important that they get enough folate. This nutrient helps prevent certain life-threatening birth defects of the brain and spine. Although many women's diets do not contain enough folate, avocado can help them remedy this situation. Half an avocado contains 57 micrograms of folate, 14% of the DV. However, as important as folate is for expectant mothers, they are not the only ones who should be enjoying guacamole at the table or avocado salad. We all need this essential nutrient for our nerves to function properly. It is also possible that folate helps fight heart disease. How to maximize its healing powers? Look for Florida avocado. Although the monounsaturated fat in avocado lowers cholesterol levels, we must not forget that it also has the bad habit of making us gain weight. Take full advantage of the nutrients this fruit offers without consuming so much fat. By Florida avocado. This variety has about thirds of the calories and half the fat of those grown in California. Buy it at the right time. There is also another way to avoid fat while enjoying this delight. By harvested between November and March. They have up to 2/3 less fat than those harvested in September or October.